Hello everyone, welcome to Rlaarlo workshop. This video is a voice control tutorial for Rlaarlo Unimog. The Unimog comes with the T-Rex 10-channel transmitter. It features built-in AI voice control. By waking up the system, aka Rlaarlo, you can use voice command to control the vehicle lights and drivetrain function. Hey Rlaarlo.
Yes, I'm here.
Activate wiper.
Wipers medium speed.
Activate wiper.
Wipers medium speed.
Activate wiper.
Wipers high speed.
Deactivate wiper.
Wipers deactivated.
Unlock front differential.
Front differential unlocked.
Lock front differential.
Front differential locked.
Unlock rear differential.
Rear differential unlocked.
Lock rear differential.
Rear differential locked.
Shift to low gear.
Low gear engaged.
Shift to high gear.
High gear engaged.
Activate all lights.
All lights activated.
Deactivate all lights.
All lights deactivated.
Activate position light.
Position lights activated.
Deactivate position light.
Position lights deactivated.
Activate headlight.
Headlights activated.
Deactivate headlight.
Headlights deactivated.
Activate rear fog light.
Rear fog lights activated.
Deactivate rear fog light.
Rear fog lights deactivated.
Activate hazard light.
Hazard lights activated.
Deactivate hazard lights.
Hazard lights deactivated.
This is all for this video. Thank you again for watching the Rlaarlo workshop.